Let's keep going. Keep going. Awesome.
All right.
I love this.
We're going to continue with this.
In your eyes, I have found compassion. And in your soul, I found my other half. A kindred spirit capable of a love not known to metaphors. In your arms, I found a home. We're here today because you never gave up. I'm the luckiest man.
We have come together today in the presence of God to witness the joining together of Elliott and Emily in marriage. And I think I better hurry.
As written in the Bible, an excellent wife who can find? She is far more precious than jewels. And indeed, Emily is a very special jewel, loving, faithful, and loyal.
Thank you for being someone I can look up to. You're one of the most caring people I know. You're kind, compassionate, and always fun to be around. Sisters by chance, friends by choice.
We're very happy that you're a part of this crazy snarf family. And it's like, even after meeting all of us, like, you still married Elliott. That's just wonderful. God bless you.
Thinking about yesterday, the daylight.
She's like a baby. Hi. You're really good. I love it.
I prayed for you for so long, and God exceeded my expectations when He brought me you. You remind me that God is faithful and His timing is perfect. But you are my constant, calm, and comfort. You are my safe place. You are my home.
I don't know too many guys as conscientious, devoted, and hardworking as Elliott. He has always been so generous with his time and willing to lend a hand when needed, even when serving others goes unnoticed.
I'm bursting with joy to get to be here today and watch my sister marry the love of her life. When you and Emily got engaged, I told you how excited I was to finally have an older brother. Welcome to the family.
I truly don't think I've ever met a more genuinely joyful and optimistic person. You put your all into everything, and you are one of the most hardworking people I know. I love your kind heart. You always make me feel so loved. I love the way you see me. No one has ever made me feel more beautiful and loved for being exactly who I am.
The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace all the days of your life. To Emily and Elliott, thank you.
I want to begin just with a few thoughts. Marriage was God's idea. He can empower you to love as He loved you, to forgive as He forgave you, and lay down your lives as He laid down His life.
Today, as I become your wife, I vow to give you my hand, my heart, and all of my love. I promise to be faithful, gentle, and kind. I promise to honor you always and make you feel loved and cherished, to invest in you daily. You will never feel alone with me by your side.
Emily, I love you. I promise to lead, support, and follow you accordingly and keep our relationship in balance by always putting us first. I promise not just to listen, but to hear. I promise not just to be honest, but to trust. I vow to put your needs above my own, to put aside flesh and put God first, our relationship. I vow to always cherish and love you until our last day on earth.
Now that Elliott and Emily have given themselves to each other by solemn vows before us and before God as witness, I pronounce that they are husband and wife in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. Therefore, what God has joined together, let man not separate. You may kiss your bride. Mr. and Mrs. Elliott.